Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about link building. What is link building and why is it very important? Link building is basically to kind of build links from other websites to your site, and that is called as backlinks. So what are backlinks? Backlinks is whenever other websites are referring to your websites in their content. Means, let's say you wrote a great piece of content on a particular topic, and there are a lot of other websites who are linking to your post on their websites. That means you have a backlink. And when you get these backlinks from all the different websites which even have a good authority score, that is not only going to boost your domain authority but also will improve your search engine rankings. You will be listed on the top of the search engine's results page when you have a lot of good backlinks. Now, when I say a lot of good backlinks, what I mean is you should not be getting spammy links from a spammy websites. It is very important that the backlinks also happen from a website which is higher in authority or which is a good source of information. That is what backlinks are. Why are backlinks important? As I mentioned, when you have large number of backlinks from reputed sites, it will increase your domain authority and also will improve your search engine ranking. When you are listed on the top of the search engine results page, it's going to bring more traffic, more leads, more sale. So you want your post to be ranking on the top of the search engine's results page. What are we going to discuss here? So first important thing is we are going to find the backlinks gap. So here I'm going to be using a tool like SEMRush, and in that tool you can put down your website, your competitor's website. You can see where all your competitor is getting backlinks from, and you can see what backlinks you have, what is the gap between those backlinks. So let's go over to SEMRush. So I'm going to log into SEMRush here, and under the competitive research there is a section called backlink gap. Now click on that backlink gap and it will take you to this page. Let's assume you have a website where you put kitchen products reviews, like products like air fryer and oven, or let's say Instapot, slow cooker, things like that. So you give a review of these kind of products, and let's go ahead and figure out what our competitors can be. So let's say I'm looking on Google as saying best air fryer for chicken, and let's see what are some blog pages. So this looks like a blog page, the Bon Appetit one. So I'm going to go ahead and open it and copy this URL, and we'll go back to our SEMRush and add it here. So you means I'm assuming myself as this blog, and then we will find another competitor which is ranking for the same keyword on search engine's page. Okay, so we have the good housekeeping. So let me go ahead and copy this, and let's go ahead and copy this URL here. And now I'm going to go over to SEMRush and I'll enter that URL. So assume this is my blog and assume this is our competitors. And now I'm going to find the backlink gap between these two sites. So I'm going to click here called find prospects, and what it's going to do is it's going to fetch the backlinks for this my website as well as the good housekeeping one. Okay, so it's going to find the backlinks for both. Now here, if you see, you have these six different categories: best, weak, strong, shared, unique, and all. So here, let's start with best. Now you can see here, Bon Appetit, this is the backlink for this particular website, and good housekeeping has these many backlinks. Now when I go over to best, what does best is telling me? Domains that point to all competitors but not to you domain. What means that this particular website is referring to all the different websites which are in the same niche. Means if you are in the food recipes or in the kitchen appliances niche, all the other websites are getting backlinks but you are not the one getting it. So this one is the easy one to go after. So if you write a great post, then you can reach out to these websites and tell them, hey, I'm looking for a backlink from your site, since you are already been putting it for other websites which are in the same category. Can you do that for me? And in return, whatever you want to do it for them, you can do that as well. So best means everybody else is getting the backlinks from these sites except yours. When you click on, let's say you click on this, okay, samsung.com, and when you click on this particular arrow here, it is going to tell you where in Samsung, which pages of this website is recommending Good Housekeeping. Now you have to remember, sometimes these pages might have already gone or they are no longer backlinking, but there is worth a chance. So now if you go over to this particular page, so let's say we copy this URL and go over to Google and type this URL in, somewhere on this page, this Good Housekeeping is being referenced. So if I go over here and let's look for the word Good Housekeeping, and you can see here it is getting a link from this website, Good Housekeeping. So Samsung is referring to this Good Housekeeping website. So that's it's getting its backlink from there. Another place where Samsung is recommending this website is on this page. So if you go ahead and copy or open this page here, you are going to see another place where if you like, if it's not in, so let's go ahead and type it in English. This might not be the one. And let's see if Good Housekeeping is being recommended. You can see here again on this page, this website is getting a backlink. When you go over to open this number, it'll tell you which pages on this particular website the backlinks are coming from. Now here, the best means you can approach these websites. You are not getting backlinks from these websites. Everybody else in your market or in your competition is getting backlinks from these websites, not yours. Then weak one means if you compare, you are getting backlinks from them, but you're getting less number of backlinks. Means if you see here on Etsy.com is giving this Good Housekeeping 36 backlinks, but your website is only getting 1 backlink. Okay, so this is what weak means. Similarly, Mayo Clinic is giving this Good Housekeeping 36 backlinks, but it is only giving it to you only 1 backlink. So that is what weak means. Strong means that backlinks are only given to you. So make sure none of these backlinks that are coming to you are spammy. Okay, so you have to make sure of that. So if you see, you compare, you're getting so many backlinks from these websites, but none of Good Housekeeping is not getting any backlinks. So you need to make sure that all these are good backlinks. They are not spammy ones. The shared means domains that point to all the other analyzed domains, means both of them are getting backlinks from this site. Okay, so if you see, Bone Appetite is also getting backlinks. Good Housekeeping is also getting backlink from each of these websites. Now unique means that only one domain, okay, that only one of them is getting a backlink. Okay, so if you go to unique and you say here this too, you are getting the backlinks, but they are not getting. Here they are getting the backlinks, but you're not getting. So that's the unique one. Okay, and all of this, if you want to find everything, then you can click here. If you want to export this list, you can click on this export button and it will download all the backlinks gap. And then what you're going to do is you're going to reach out to those people, ask them if you can write a blog post for them or guest post for them, and that way they will give you a backlink from their website to your website. And then more backlinks you have from high authority websites is going to increase your domain authority and also going to increase your search engine's results page rankings. Let's go ahead and talk about some of the strategies that are going to help you in link building. So the first thing that we have seen is we have to figure out where is the gap between our backlinks and our competitors' backlink. And the next thing is, once we have figured it out, then what we're going to do is we are going to reach out to those websites and we are going to ask them, hey, can we write a guest blog on your website? And sometimes they will do it in exchange of money, or sometimes they will just, because they liked your content, they'll say, okay, sure, you can go ahead and do that. So guest blogging is a very powerful way to get backlinks from other websites. The next is broken link building. So let's say there are websites, they have broken links over a period of time, that content is no longer available or has been moved. And now what you can do is you can reach out to them and say, hey, this link on your site is broken and my post is covering the similar content that you're looking for. You just go ahead and update your web page, and instead of that broken link, put my link in there. So you can go and find these opportunities where you can reach out again to those websites, and you can go ahead and ask them to replace the broken link with your website's link or with your post link. The next way of increasing or building these backlinks is creating great infographics. So let's say you have written a post, and what you do is you create an infographic form of that post and then share that infographics on all the different social media channel, Instagram, Facebook, let's say, or LinkedIn. And then more people are going to see that infographic, and they'll like it and they'll share, and that will increase the opportunity of you getting backlinks from other sites. The next one is internal linking. So yes, you need backlinks from external sites, but also remember to have your one post linking to another post. So that way it will help improve your SEO score when you are writing very relative content or in very targeted content on your website. You will have more chances of internal link building, which will also improve your SEO score. So remember that thing. Last but not the least is social media engagement. You should engage with your audience, you should connect with your audience, and then you can share them the content, and that will also bring a lot of link building opportunities, because when you share your blog post on different channels, people like that post, then they are going to be sharing it, liking it, which will improve your chances of getting backlinks and getting those higher domain authority scores. So what we have discussed in this particular tutorial, we started with understanding what backlinks are, why they are important. We found a way using SEMRush to find the backlinks gap between us and our competitors. And then we looked at some of the proven methods to improve the number of backlinks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do like and subscribe, and also share the video with your friends, family, colleagues on different channels. And be wealthy and be healthy. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.